Asibingelele sikwamukele sicela isiqiniseko sokuthi ucinze laphana ke usubscribe button. Abeqembu lomkhonto wesizwe party bathi bazoyithwesa nzima icabinet esandla kumelenzelwa yakhe laphana ke umnomzane Cyril Ramaphosa. Abeqembu lomkhonto wesizwe party lokhu bakuveze ngesikhathi beqeda nakwenza ke khona ke umhlangano wabo wensuku ezintathu lapho kodwa bephekana khona ukuthi ke ikuphi ngempela ke akumele bakwenze beyiqembu lomkhonto wesizwe party. Lokhu kukuvezwe uyena laphana ke okhulumela lona iqembu lomkhonto wesizwe party umnomzane Nhlamulo Ndlela. Nomzane Nhlamulo Ndlela ekhuluma nentatheli SABC ukhulume wathi bonke laba bantu bekhuluma kabi ngeqembu lomkhonto wesizwe party bethi alinawo umthetho sisekelo, bethi futhi iqembu lomkhonto wesizwe party ke alizazi ukuthi limeleni, ababukele iqembu lomkhonto wesizwe party eParliament laseNingizimu Afrika lapho khona lebavezela khona ke ukuthi ke iqembu lomkhonto wesizwe party ukuthi limeleni. Uzokhumbula ukuthi ke kuyona nomhlangano wensuku ezintathu kuke kwaphutshuka nolunye udaba kade ngahlelela ukuthi silizwe ke lapho sicoshe khona ke einkundleni zokuxhumana lapho beveza khona ukuthi ke bafisa ngisho ukuthi ke labo abantshontsha umhlaba wabantu bakithi abamnyama umndeni wakwaRupert kanye nomndeni wama-Oppenheimers ukuthi ke babolele ejele ngesenzo abasenza ukuphuca abantu umhlaba. Kodwa ke asike sithathe ke sikubeke lapho khona ke umnumzane Nhlamulo Ndlela ebekhuluma khona ke nentatheli SABC ukuthi ke ubeke kanjani.
And yeah, so we're having very interesting discussions, but I can tell you now, off the back of what has been discussed here, Parliament is going to be very interesting. Mkhonto is going to bring a totally different element and a totally different approach in terms of how we deal with things and how we raise things in Parliament. And we're going to be raising things that are totally unique that South Africans ought to be knowing about that have, that have not been surfaced. So that's our responsibility, and it's going to be very
uqhubekele umkhulumeli weqembu lomkhonto wesizwe party umnomzane Nhlamulo Ndlela waveza nje ukuthi ke yena ayizwa ngendaba yeGN, waveza futhi ke umnomzane Cyril Ramaphosa behlakane neANC balidayisile izwe badayisa ngisho abantu baseNingizimu Afrika. Sicela umuzwe ke umnomzane ebekela.
Ramaphosa has taken the black vote and given racist whites power, led by Helen Zille. It's sad that an organization that ought to be progressive like the ANC is not engaging with progressive parties like Mkhonto weSizwe and the EFF, so we can have a two-third majority to transform this country. Why does he take the black vote? And that's what members of the ANC ought to be asking themselves, and black South Africans that voted for Cyril Ramaphosa's ANC. And I know some of them wanted to vote for the ANC, but they've turned out to realize that they've actually given it to a sellout. And he's selling us out. He's selling us out to whites who are racist. So we should be asking ourselves, what kind of a leader actually goes and engages with racist whites as opposed to engaging with MK?
Yena ke lapha nakade ekhuluma nentatheli SABC umnomzane Nhlamulo Ndlela kasho khona nje futhi ukuthi ke udayise waliqeda kumnomzane Cyril Ramaphosa izwe laseNingizimu Afrika. Abafisa ukuzwa ke le video kade okuphuthukile okuncane nje sikutholile ukuthi ke bekwenzakalani ngaphakathi laphana ke emhlanganweni wensuku ezintathu zomkhonto wesizwe party. Sicela bangene ku comment section. I-comment yokuqala kulapho ke i-video ifakwe khona ke mayelana ke nomhlangano ke okade ukhona wayo ke laphana ke MK party.